Hey guys, welcome back to Site and Reviews. I am quite excited to review this amazing software that is Vocalic. In this video, I am going to clear your doubts about Vocalic, how Vocalic works, and what you need to know before buying. I'll be explaining from a user's perspective and everything Vocalic promises you. So before we proceed, I want to let you know that purchasing Vocalic through the link in the description will get you instant access to these 20 exclusive bonuses. Just stay with me and I cover through the bonuses you'll be getting when you purchase Vocalic. First bonus is Evergreen Infographics Pack, one of the most important types of visuals for business owners in the online arena are infographics. The second bonus is Finding Your Niche. Third bonus, Email Monetizer. Background 4K stock videos. Article Writer Pro, 2-step opt-in generator, master shorty, video marketing unleashed, video marketing domination, unique exit pop-up, convert video squeeze page creator, future video plus, affiliate marketing A to Z, project genius, e-profit generator, phonics podcast studio, easy poll creator, the amazing banner, 3D box templates version 1, and miscellaneous stock photos that you can use in your products and your clients' projects, and also you can resell them. So those are 20 remarkable bonuses you'll be getting worth $2,895, and you'll be able to get instant access after you've purchased Vocalic through the link description. So looking at the main issue of today, the review of Vocalic. What exactly is Vocalic? Stay with me as we go. Alright. So Vocalic is the AI that creates profit pulling videos with voiceovers in just 60 seconds without being in front of the camera, speaking a single word, or hiring anyone ever. With Vocalic, you can create and sell videos and voiceovers in any language for big profits to dentists, gyms, spas, cafes, retail stores, bookshops, affiliate marketers, coaches, and 100 plus other niches. So let us see some of the things Vocalic promises us. With Vocalic, you'll be able to tap into the fast growing $200 billion video voiceover industry. You'll be able to create stunning videos in any niche with inbuilt video creator. You can create and publish YouTube shorts for tons of free traffic. You can also use Vocalic for affiliate marketing. You can make passive affiliate commissions creating product review videos. With Vocalic, you will get real human-like voiceovers in 150 plus unique voices and 30 plus languages. You can convert any text script into a whiteboard and explainer videos, which are really attractive. You can create videos using just the keywords with ready-to-use stock images. Vocalic can help you boost engagement and sales using the power of videos. And add background music to your videos. It also comes with a content spinner to make your script unique. It also has a My Drive culture that stores your video, voiceovers, and other media files. It is 100% newbie friendly, no camera, audio, and tech hassles ever. Commercial license included to build on incredible income helping clients. Free training to find tons of traffic. So those are you can see that Vocalic is quite packed. These are some of the benefits you'll be getting from getting Vocalic, and it costs $34 only during this early bird period, during this launch period. And also, you can use this coupon code right here that says Vocalic early for an extra 11% discount during this early bird period. So get access to Vocalic. There will be a link in the description. And the best part is it has a 30 days money back guarantee, meaning if you're not satisfied with Vocalic, you can always get your money back 100%. So you've seen what it promises us. How does it work in 3 simple steps? The first steps, as usual, is to log in into the dashboard. You access the dashboard after you log in, and then you can choose whether you want to create a video or a voiceover or a podcast. You can see the interface here. It is easy to navigate. The second step is choosing between two options, either to create videos or to create voiceover podcast. In the first option, you can create whiteboard videos by just adding text or creating videos using keyword search to get related images for your video so that you can upload them. You can also upload them from your device or choose the video quality you need. Then you go then to create stunning videos with voiceover. And also the second option is generating voiceover by entering text or script, selecting voice and language option, speaking speed, volume, and so on to get a highly professional voiceover or podcast. When you are done choosing between creating a video or creating a podcast, you can download, publish, and profit. You can download it to use anywhere you want. You can upload your video to your video channels and drive tons of traffic. Publish podcasts, drive more engagement, leads, and sales, or sell voiceover and video creation videos to local clients for big bucks. So we've seen how it works in 3 simple steps: how you can use it to create videos, you can use it to create voiceover or podcast. How does it look from a user's perspective? How does it look from a user's angle? So from what I noticed, the user interface makes it very easy to navigate through the various options present. And from the actions Vocalic produced when I used it, you can create quality voiceovers without hiring professionals. Meaning you don't have to miss a lot of money to hire professionals just to get voiceover. Vocalic will do a perfect job for you concerning that. And you can also convert ebooks into audiobooks with no hassle. If you don't know how to do that, very soon through their training videos you know how to do that. One of the best parts I didn't expect it to have was how beautiful the whiteboard and explainer videos are, and also how it synchronizes with the voiceover. The video matches the sound coming out, which is really impressive. So I do believe Vocalic can upscale your business as a video marketer, a freelancer, and an affiliate marketer, and also a YouTuber. So if you want to get access to Vocalic, there is a link in the description to get the early bird price, as I mentioned earlier. So just to clear your doubt, let us see some of the frequently asked questions concerning Vocalic. So do you need to download or install Vocalic somewhere? No. You just need to create an account online and you can get started immediately. But to build a site with Vocalic, you need to download their agency framework and upload it to your WordPress site only once, and after that it runs 100% web-based. Do they charge any monthly fees? Not at all. There are no monthly fees to use Vocalic during the launch period, and during this period you pay once and never again. They believe in providing complete value for your money. Is your investment risk-free? Is the money you paid risk-free? Vocalic knows the worth of your money, so you can be rest assured that your investment is safe as houses. However, they will likely clearly state that they don't offer a no questions asked money back guarantee. You must provide a genuine reason and show us proof that you've tried Vocalic and you are asking for a refund. Do they charge monthly fees? I think they've answered that here. There are no monthly fees during the launch period. And during this period, you pay once and never again. So will you get training videos to help you know how to use Vocalic? Yes. They've created a detailed and step-by-step video training that shows you how to set up everything quick and easy. And you can get access to the training in the members area. You also get a live chat customer support, so you will never get stuck or have any issues. Is Vocalic compliant with guidelines and compliances? Yes. The platform is built with having all prescribed guidelines and compliances in consideration. And they make constant efforts to ensure that they follow all the necessary guidelines and regulations. What is the duration of service with this Vocalic launch special deal? After the period gets over, you can be rest assured that their customer success team will renew your services for another 60 months for free, and henceforth they are giving it as a complimentary renewal later on in the future. So you might be asking, how is Vocalic different from other available tools in the market? They have a nice comparison chart with other service provider. If you want to see the chart yourself, you can always see that through the link in the description. And they don't like to boast much about their system, but they are sure that it's a cutting edge technology that will enable you to create and sell stunning websites such a low introductory price. Is Vocalic Windows and Mac compatible? Yes, it is. You can run it both on Windows and on Mac. So that is basically all you need to know about Vocalic. I really appreciate the fact that you watched to this very end. If you have any more questions about Vocalic, please feel free to ask. Thank you for watching and see you next time.